Modern teams don't waste time switching tools, they call directly from their CRM. Meet the Twilio AI-Powered Dialer for SuiteCRM, a CRM integrated calling solution built for businesses that handle lots of conversations every day, like sales department support teams. BPO centers. With just one click, users can make outbound calls or receive inbound calls directly from CRM records without switching tools, devices, or workflows. Everything stays connected, every time. But how does this plugin actually work? Calls are triggered directly from CRM modules like contacts, leads, targets, accounts, users, or cases with just one click. Incoming calls instantly pop up inside the CRM interface, showing the caller details, active phone number, and live call status. If the caller isn't saved, the system automatically saves them in the correct CRM record. During the call, agents can handle multiple incoming calls, place active conversations on hold, and access call history without switching to tabs. Every call, every note, every follow-up, and every record is logged automatically in one centralized place once the call is initiated. Features that make calling smarter. One-click calling. Call any CRM record instantly, keeping the process fast and distraction-free. Inbound and outbound calling. Manage incoming and outgoing calls from a single unified interface. Multiple call handling. Receive new calls while already on a conversation. Place calls on hold and switch smoothly. Active phone number visibility. Always know which business number is handling the call. Perfect for multi-process teams. Priority-based call routing. Route inbound calls based on agent priority for better control and faster response. Cold and warm. Call transfer. In cold transfer, you can transfer calls to the next agent without sharing notes and context. When an agent initiates a warm transfer, a message window appears. Here, you can type your message and then transfer the call with context to the next agent. Smart notes. Add notes during live calls. They're saved automatically to the CRM record. Call logs, history, and auto-recording. Every inbound, outbound, missed, or rejected call is tracked automatically. Auto-sync contacts. Unknown callers are saved instantly. No lead ever slips through. IVR keypad support. Navigate IVR menus directly during calls. No external devices needed. Dynamic call tunes and dual ring. Use custom ringtones for incoming calls, hold states, and voicemail. Dual ring ensures alerts stay audible across devices. Hold call control place. Calls on hold without disconnecting. Manage conversations smoothly. Voicemail configuration set. Custom voicemails for agents or numbers and handle missed calls professionally. Why it matters? Because calling should feel easy, not exhausting. The AI-powered dialer keeps everything where it belongs, inside your CRM. Fewer missed calls, better context, happier agents, better conversations. If calls power your business, this is how they should work. Smart, simple, connected. Upgrade your CRM calling experience. Get the Twilio AI-Powered Dialer for SuiteCRM.